Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
For today's discussion, I'm going to discuss the past question of the year 2017, October-November paper, variance 31. Have a look at this question. This is a differential equation. The limits are given, the x and y values are given, and you are asked to solve the differential equation and find the value of x when y equals to pi over 3. So for differential equation, the first step before we can solve it is to separate the variables. What we need to do is the dy must be one side and the dx must be brought to the other side. So we will have dy here and dx at the other side. And the x terms are supposed to be grouped together with the dx, where the y terms are supposed to be grouped together with the dy. So for this case, I'll just leave the constant here 4 and tangent x together with the dx. As the cos square y are moved over to the other side, it becomes 1 over cos square y. So this is our first step, to separate the variables. Second step is to integrate both sides. Let's have a look at the left hand side. How to integrate 1 over cos square y? We are supposed to change the 1 over cos square y into secant square y. And for the right hand side, you can actually take out the constant 4. And how to integrate tangent x? You're supposed to split the tangent x into sine x over cos x. Alright, so now we can start to do the integration. So for this chapter, differential equation is actually related to the previous chapter, the integration chapter. So now how to integrate secant square? Secant squared y, when we integrate, we will get tangent y. As for the right hand side, the 4 remains there. To integrate tangent, which is sine x over cos x, we need to use the ln method. Okay, we got to recognize this fraction as the type where we can use the ln to integrate it. So before we can use the ln, you got to make sure that the bottom part is fx and the upper part is f prime x. So let's check for the bottom part here is cos x. So when we differentiate cos x, we should get a negative sine x. So you have to make some adjustment here by multiply the sine x with a negative, and then to balance it, you got to multiply it with the negative 4 outside. Alright, and therefore the answer should be negative 4 ln cos x. And you need to add in a constant plus c here. So this constant, you can put it either at the right hand side or at the left hand side. It's up to you. And okay, this is called a general solution. And we are supposed to find out the particular solution, means we have to find out the value of the c here by substituting these values. So now when x equals to 0, y is equals to pi over 4. So you just need to sub in tangent pi over 4 is equals to negative 4 ln cos 0 plus c. And hence, you will get 1 equals to negative 4 ln 1 plus c. And c will be equals to 1. And therefore, the solution will be just tangent y equals to negative 4 ln cos x plus 1. And for this solution is called a particular solution. And according to the question, you are asked to find the value of x when the y is equals to pi over 3. So let's substitute y equals to pi over 3 into our particular solution. tangent pi over 3 equals to negative 4 ln cos x plus 1. And from here, you should be able to get x equals to 0.587. That's how we solve for this question.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.